Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you this weekly forecast for each and every sign. For all the prediction given according to your moon sign, according to Indian Vedic astrology, all the tasks, precaution, chantings are according to your moon sign. This particular prediction has got nothing to do with your sun sign or zodiac sign. Please. So all the prediction are given here according to your moon sign. Going to talk about Libra. Libra, this coming week, there will be a sudden financial gain. There will be a sudden expenditure. There will be a lot of running around and hassles. You have to be very careful about your expenditure. You have to think before you spend money. You cannot rely on anybody whatsoever. Your own people will cheat you, deceive you, dump you. When it comes to money, power and wealth, people can play few political games. Professionally or financially, you can be lazy. Health have to be taken care of whatsoever. Fruitless expenditure can be sky high. May I say that you have to be very careful about your spending plan or spending freak plan or no. There are few important projects you have to close, but you'll go through a lot of struggle to closing those important projects, to completing those important projects. But eventually, your struggle will convert into sweet success. Try not to be afraid from struggle. If struggle is there, sweet success is also waiting for you. Sweet success will never come out without struggle. Struggle is the first part. Second part is sweet success. Choice is yours. So be careful. So this particular week, the task you must do, Libra, donate rice to temple in the langar. First thing first. Donate money to local blind school. Donate chana dal to temple in the langar. May I say that take 12 blue flowers, bury in the ground on Friday evening. Donate sugar to temple in the langar. Quantity should be 6 kilo. And take 11 kilogram barley, feed the birds in the park. Another task, donate money to local blind school. Take 300 gram black salt, bury in the ground on Saturday morning. So these are your tasks. Precaution wise, watch your actions, watch your conduct, watch your behavior. The chanting you must do, which is a very, very fine. Gam Ganapataya Name. Gam Ganapataya Name. But sometimes people do Om Gam Ganapataya Name. Om Gam Ganapataya Name. Om Gam Ganapataya Name. Om Gam Ganapataya Name. It can move the mountain. Now I'm coming to the end of my show. I'll be back with another fresh horoscope. Look after yourself and take care.